The unboxing of the INIU SnapGo P71-E1 immediately sets the tone for a product that prioritizes refinement and intent rather than excess. The packaging is compact and thoughtfully organized, with the power bank seated securely alongside a short USB-C lanyard cable and concise documentation. There is no wasted space, no unnecessary inserts. Everything about the presentation communicates portability and efficiency. Lifting the SnapGo out of the box for the first time, the most striking impression is just how impossibly thin it feels in hand. At only 0.35 inches thick, it genuinely challenges preconceived notions of what a 5,000 milliamp hour magnetic power bank should feel like. After extended use, the INIU SnapGo P71-E1 stands out as one of the most intelligently designed, ultra-compact magnetic power banks I have used. Its defining strength is not just its market-leading slimness, but how that slimness enhances everyday usability without compromising charging speed, build quality, or reliability. The combination of Qi2 certified 15-watt wireless charging, 20-watt wired output, a practical foldable stand, and a truly pocket-friendly form factor makes it an ideal companion for modern iPhone users who value both performance and elegance.